Aloha, my friend Billy Wiggly here with another Excel keyboard shortcut. And I'm at the mouth of the Hanalei River in Kauai, Hawaii. There's two benches to sit at right over here. And I sure wish there was another bench right here so I could watch these guys row in and everybody paddle out and just enjoy the cool breeze in this nice afternoon. If this was Excel, I could just use a shortcut for inserting a new worksheet. Check it out. To insert a new worksheet, you can go right ahead and select the worksheet where you want to insert a new one at and press Shift F11. And notice that a new worksheet will be inserted right before your selection. Then you can just go right ahead and double click and rename your worksheet. Just like that. Select a worksheet, press Shift F11, and a new worksheet will be inserted right before your selection. I wish I could do that right here and just press Shift F11 and insert a new bench to sit at and enjoy the scenery and the beautiful weather. Remember, my friend, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.